Hello students. Today I will start the new course for all of you. The course name is the Numerical Analysis. इस lecture में we will see why we need this new course and which topic we can cover and we will discuss in the detail. Myself Dr. Harish Garg. You can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Harish Garg. So I welcome you all my new topic, new course Numerical Analysis. So before I directly jump, what we will study in the numerical methods, let me ask you one question, or I will firstly tell you what this course is all about, and then I will tell you why this course is one of the most important subject. ये दो चीजें आपको इस टुडेस लेक्चर में फोकस करेंगे कि ये कोर्स कहता क्या है और इस कोर्स की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी. Why the numerical analysis or the numerical methods course is important in the mathematics, not in the only in the mathematics but also in the engineering, computer science, biomedical, uh, electrical engineering, mechanical, data science, computation intelligence, all about their numerical analysis. Now if I ask you a very simple question, can you find the exact solution of the every problem? Can you find the exact solutions? Definitely not. Fine. Why? Because can you find the value of the x which satisfied by these equations? Can you integrate e की power sin x or e of x square tan inverse in a very simple manner? Your answer is definitely no. Fine. What is the meaning of the exact solution? If I say, can you find the value of the x which satisfied by this equation x square minus 1 is 0? Definitely you can get the value of the x is plus minus 1. That means that solution is called as the exact solution. But if you look about the any other equation like x e की power x minus 1 is equal to 0, क्या कोई आप ऐसा x easily find कर सकते हो जिससे ये इसकी इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाइड हो जाए? योर आंसर इज नो. फाइन. तो इसका मतलब आप अगर एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशन नहीं फाइंड कर सकते तो आप क्या करोगे आप? फाइन. तो कुछ ऐसी एग्जांपल्स होती है हमारे पास where we are unable to find the exact solution or it is very difficult to find the exact solution. तो उसी पर्पस में जहां पे आप एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशन एग्जैक्ट नहीं फाइंड कर सकते, देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस. Numerical analysis or the numerical method both have the same meaning. They will provide you the algorithms which provide you the approximate solution. Always remember, exact solution नहीं provide करेगा, always and always provide the approximate solution. Numerical analysis का पर्पस ही यही है कि आपको approximate solution find करना. अगर आपका एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशन मान लीजिए 1.4 है, then by using the numerical analysis your target is to find the roots which are near to the 1.4 like 3.91 or 1.41 and so on, which is a very near to the 1.4. So that means the numerical analysis provide you the bridge which balance the theoretical mathematics exact solutions and the computational mathematics. In other words, I can say the numerical analysis will develop the algorithms that will provide you the accurate approximate solutions whose exact solutions are either difficult to find or impossible. What are the various topics that we will cover in this courses? We have covered the 6 different topics. I will provide you the brief description of the each topic in this lecture as well. उम्मीद करता हूं अभी तक आपने वीडियो को लाइक कर दिया होगा. Now the first one is root finding method. What is the meaning of the root finding? Our target is to find the value of the x so that f of x will be 0. Fine. So can you find all those x every times x whose equation will be f of x is 0? As we discussed earlier, many equation you are unable to find the exact solution like of these 3 equations. Can you find the value of the x so that you can get x cube minus x minus 2 is exactly 0? Your answer is no, because you are unable to use the factorization methods. You are unable to use the quadratic or by guess or by using any of the other existing methods. Fine. So in order to handle such kind of the case, we are using the roots finding method named as bisection method, regular falsy, secant, Newton-Raphson, fixed point equations, and many more methods. Remember students, all these methods will provide you the approximate solutions for the equation f of x is equal to 0. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर न्यूमेरिकल मेथड आपको सिर्फ अप्रोक्सीमेट सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करता है. Fine. So all these methods are used to find the approximate root. The second topic we will discuss about the system of the linear equations. All of you know how you can solve ax is equal to b. Fine. The system of the linear equation is a very useful in engineering, economics, and many more the scientific worlds. And whenever the matrix A is my 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3, then you have already know how you can solve the value of the x by using the Cramer rules or by using the matrix method. However, if I say the size of the matrix A is 4 cross 4, or the size of the matrix is 100 cross 100, or the size of the matrix is 100 cross 145, that is a rectangular matrix, then neither the Cramer rule nor the matrix method is applicable. That means whenever the size of the matrix is involvement of the millions of or hundred of the equations, then the existing methods will fail to provide the exact solutions method. Then how you can handle such case, we will discuss the various methods which will help for us to give the solutions by using the two different ways, the direct methods and the indirect methods. Direct methods involvement of the Gauss eliminations, partial pivoting, LU decomposition methods, Gauss-Jordan, and many more others. While the iterative methods cover the Jacobi method, Gauss-Seidel, SOR, and the other methods as well. इन सभी लेक्चर को वन बाय वन डिटेल लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे सेपरेट वीडियोस इस लेक्चर सीरीज के अंदर. The widely application of the linear equation is Google Map. Engineering application of the last structure, economics, machine learning algorithms, all are based on the system of the equations Ax is equal to B, and we are always using the direct and the indirect methods. The third topic we will cover about the interpolations. That is also one of the most important topics. Why? Suppose the weather station recorded the temperature at the 10 a.m., 12 a.m. and the 2 p.m. Let's say the temperature at this is 30 degrees Celsius, temperature at this 12 p.m. is 28 degrees Celsius, and 2 p.m. is my 37 degrees Celsius. Fine. But if somebody will ask you what will happen, what is the temperature at 11 a.m. तो क्या बता सकते हो? ऐसा तो जरूरी नहीं है ना कि अगर ये 30 से 28 12 पीएम पे है तो इसके बीच का ही टेम्परेचर होगा कुछ, इट मे बी 29 और 28 पॉइंट समथिंग. ऐसा तो जरूरी नहीं है. हो सकता है 11 पीएम पे बहुत सारी धूप हो, फाइन, और बहुत सारा कोल्ड हो और बहुत सारा हॉट हो. वी कांट से एनीथिंग. फाइन. व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर? तो क्या अगर आपसे पूछा जाए तो आप क्या कहोगे? यू कैन सिंपली गेस. Fine, but that is not always true. Can we simply guess? Answer is no. Why? Because the mathematics always wants the proof, not as the guess. So based on the available information, what we can do? We can construct the polynomials. Fine. Like we can construct the polynomial y is equal to fx, which is let's say is a x square minus 3x plus 4. Now our target is to find at 11 a.m. So I can substitute the value of the x is 11 and get the value of the y as a temperature. And that is the process is called as the interpolation. Fine. तो इंटरपोलेशन का पर्पस है कि अगर आपके पास कोई अननोन वैल्यूज निकालनी हो in between or outside that we can use about the concept of the interpolation. And it is widely used in the animation, computer graphics, GPS, signal processing, and widely other topics. The method that we will cover in this today's lecture series is Lagrange interpolation. Is a very important method. Divided difference method, Newton forward, Newton backward, and many more like central difference methods. Fine. And many more methods we will cover one by one in the lecture series. Next topic we will cover about the numerical integrations. Like you all knows how you can integrate x square, that is a x cube by 3 plus constant. But if I ask you how you can integrate e की power sin x, fine, then or how you can integrate x square e की power tan inverse x divided by root of the 1 plus sin square x, then definitely it is not an easy you can get the answer in a very, very simple manner. That means exact solution you are unable to obtain. Fine. Or instead of that, if the value of the x and y are given to you in terms of the tabular form, then how you can find the value of the integration of e to the power sin x based on the values of the x and y. Fine. That is experimental data. Again, you are unable to find by using the existing methods. That means again, तो आपको क्या करना होगा? हमें एक approximate solution find करना होगा. And that approximate solutions we can find called as the area under the curve. So for that case, we are able to find the numerical integrations by using the composite trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3/8 rule, Gauss quadrature formula to evaluate the definite integrals solutions. It is a widely used again in the medical, fluid economics, fine, and they are using as the approximate solutions. The fifth topic is how we can solve the differential equations with the help of the numerical methods. Like, can you find the solution of the example number 1, example number 2 in a very, very simple way? Fine, that you can do that because if you integrate, fine, and you can easily integrate, substitute the value, you can get the constant. But अगर यहाँ पे आपके पास cos inverse divided by root of the 1 plus sin square हो, then it is a very, very difficult to get the exact solution. So in that case, for example, the population growth, spread, motion of the satellite, electric circles, all are the involvement of the differential equations. और इस differential equation को exact solution निकालना काफी मुश्किल है. So for that case, we are able to design some numerical approaches for these solutions. और इसके लिए कौन कौन से method discuss करेंगे? The first method is called as the Euler methods, modified Euler methods, Runge-Kutta methods. It is also one more method is called as the Picard's method, fine, Taylor's method. All the lectures we will discuss in the detail in this lecture series as well. The last topic we will cover about the curve fitting or called as the least square methods. Suppose some teacher has recorded the data about the study hours and the marks. So can you find the mathematical relation between the study hours and the marks? Definitely you can, but it is not an easy target. Yes, you can construct the mathematical relation between the study hours and the marks. और वो कैसे find करेंगे? By using the curve fitting or called as the least square method. Least square method will provide you the best approximation जिसके साथ साथ आपका error भी minimize हो जाए. तो इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए we will discuss the topic 6 curve fitting in this lecture series. This idea is a foundation of the statistics, machine learning, पूरा का पूरा machine learning, artificial intelligence मेथड ऑफ द लीस्ट स्क्वेयर के ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी है. स्टॉक मार्केट एनालिसिस, आप देखते हो मार्केट कभी ऊपर जा रही है कभी नीचे, फाइन, all are dependent upon the least square or the curve fitting. Fine. So always remember, whenever you are able to predict the future, we are always using the curve fitting method. Fine. So what is the conclusion is, at the end of the course, once we will cover all these 6 topics, you are not only understand the mathematics theory behind the numerical methods, but you are also able to learn why it works, when to use the each methods, how accurate it is, and how you can efficiently effective these numerical methods. I hope this course will help you to develop a strong mathematical skilling and deep appreciation for the computational mathematics. So I welcome you all again, once again, the numerical analysis. Myself, Dr. Harish. You can learn the mathematics through me in this complete lecture series. Let me know in the comment box, are you really interested to learn this lecture series? If yes, subscribe my YouTube channel. Put the comment interested to watch the videos in the comment box. Till then, best of luck students. Happy learning.